This weekend's aftermath. Today's aftermath. Alright guys, I'm going to start this video off. I was thinking about Yannick today, and this morning went and did a couple shitties for him, just because I know he's been watching. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what else I got for the Trans Am. So this is my new NITROUS Express kit. So it does have the big solenoids, so nitrous, fuel. It does have this nice adapter here, so this will go to your fuel pressure, to your fuel line, and then it taps in, so your regular line will come in here, just like it normally would, and you're just adapting it through this unit to give the solenoid fuel to make sure the motor runs fuel. So we still have to see if we have a Walbro in it. I'm going to pull the pump, make sure it's at least 255. I might even get a 450 for it, but yeah, we'll go from there. It does have the Still Pass Autometer nitrous gauge. It has a bottle warmer, so now we have that. I had one in the hatch, but if I don't have to take stuff out of the hatch, well then, you know what I mean, that'll be better. So the only thing it didn't have was these, and I do have two spare ones on my old bottles. Even for now, because we're not spraying the hatch at this moment, we'll probably use this NX bottle, and I'll put the bottle warmer from that, the brackets from the Zex, and yeah, we got all our line, all our braided line, our relay, and yeah, I'm pretty excited for this, guys. The Trans Am's gonna work awesome. This intake here, I'm giving back to Chris because it's for an LS3. I just needed the fogger system, so the sprayer. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along, and hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you watch to the end, because we whip around a couple times for Yannick. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, and share if you guys already haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one. She's dry out. I feel like fucking playing this morning. So. it, boys. Couple good circles there, couple wide circles. Morning fun. I love this spot because there's nobody ever here, right? That's the rest of those tires, I can hear them.